Hey guys, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4 with my friend Peyton. I have nowhere. Oh, there she is, Mermaid Chick 98. Where is she going? Where is she? Dee dee dee. Boo 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 boo. Hey! Hi! Peyton. How you doing? Hello. Bing. Boing, boing. Oh, God. Peyton, where are you going? Hey, Peyton. Oh, my God. Boing, boing. Oh, no. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. Little break from this craziness. Yes, I'll do it. Oh, God. What?
Have you seen Ella's book Restart?
No.
Have you looked?
No. And shh. Choose the side again. Hello, Peyton. I like your avatar. Choose another side. I'm gonna use the pink side, like Peyton. No! Okay, never choose the pink side. Don't press the button. We're pressing the button. Oh, I'm good at spinner. Yeah. Oh my God. The jump button didn't work. Why didn't the jump button work? Oh, hello, Peyton. Hello, Peyton. Hey. Hi. Oh, you can't really see the chat, so. Hello. Hi. Let's press the button. Watch out, a giant black hole. No. Oh no, I hate black holes. That's kind of my feeler in real life, so. Feed the giant noob. Where's the giant noob? So we jump in? Oh yeah, we jump in. Ah yeah. Oh, I don't like going inside people's meh. Oh, we die. Should never do that again. Giant noob. Well, is there any food around here? Choose this. Wait, what's behind this thing? Stuff. Okay, there. Summer break is almost over. Okay, let's feed the giant noob again. Hello, giant. Oh, what the? Hey, I didn't see anyone press the button. That's not fair. Now we're on top of the reach the bottom of what? So we have to jump. Oh, reach the bottom of this thing. Oh no, don't touch the clouds. I don't think we're supposed to touch the clouds. Huh? Right? Okay. Oh God. No, not the lasers. Lasers are my weakness in Roblox. No. Oh, good. I didn't touch it. Yes, I made it to the bottom. Get to the other side. Okay, I'll get to the other side. Oh, no. Oh, are you kidding me? Hurry, get to the... Wait, what's on the other side? Nothing's on the other side. Hey, my friend made it to the other side. Yay. My friend made it to the other side. Yay. Bad weather. Oh, God. I'm gonna stay right here. Bad weather. Oh. So I'm staying over here. Over here is safe. Well, it's kind of boring, so. Do 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 do. Ah boo 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 do do do. Ah do 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 do. Let's get it do. You never know what's gonna happen. Get to the water. Okay. I'm at the water. Oh no! Everyone died except for me. I got to the water first. Button presser. Okay, not the pink one. No, maybe the pink one. Just this time. Oh, it's the green one in this time. So we're the only two people alive. No, wait, what? No. Oh. I did it alone, but okay, okay, he's the button presser. Watch out for what? Oh God, no. Oh, I almost escaped it. Okay, here's the button presser. Mermaid Chick 98. Mermaid Chick 98 is the button presser. When am I gonna be the button presser? Last time I was the first one to get to the water, so. Get to the other side. Okay, gotta go really slowly. No. Okay, almost died. No, almost. No! Oh, almost. I was halfway there. Ugh. Oh. Who's the button presser? Not me. Watch out. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Everyone's climbing up, so. Oh. On your marks. Get set. 2, 1, go! Gotta go up. Okay. Go. We're slow. Oh, we get a little bit faster every time we go up one thing. I'm probably gonna get in the last place, though. Remember me? Oh. Well. Hey, you won. Maybe Chick won. Good job. Wait, we're going back now? I guess we're going back now then? Never. Hurry, reach the top. Oh no. Everyone's dying. I gotta reach the top. Water's rising. Special. No! Really? Are you kidding me? That's so unfair. Yeah. One second, I just have to rest my thing for a minute. Winners, Lord King thing. Lord. Am I the button? No, when am I gonna be the button presser? Hurry, reach the other side. Oh no. Gotta reach the other side. Quit. Oh. Not Last time I do that, I'm gonna do it. Hey, I didn't make it. Friend, I didn't make it. Oh, friend, I didn't make it. Okay, there. Watch out. Oh, no. 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 No, no. No, potatoes. Okay, there. I made it. I did it. Big rain. Ooh, I'm smart. I'm so smart. You're so smart. We're all so smart. 2 times 83 is 189. Ta-da! Oh, spinner. Spinner, not this time. You're not gonna get me this time. You did last time, though. Oh, I did it. Oh, what the heck? I dodged it. I dodged it. That ain't fair. Why do people still have big brains? Oh, that was a good idea. I guess I really don't have a big brain then. Hello, Peyton. Okay, we're going down again. Be careful of what? Acid? Is that acid? Okay, so... No. Perfect. I'm a winner now. I'm a winner. Yes. I'm a winner. Yes, I've won. I've won. Am I a button presser now? I think I may. Oh, spleef. 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 It's spleef. I really hate spleef. Oh, no. I'm trapped here. No. No. Oof. Did I win? Oh, no, I didn't win. Oh, when am I going to be the button presser? I'm not ending this video until I'm the button presser. Ouch. What? Ouch. Oh, no. No. Stand on top of the button, everybody. Oh, I'm not the button presser yet. Blasting got there. Higher walk speed. Oh, no. Oh. Avoid the... Huh? What? Oh? Huh? But I just fell. I just fell. No reason. Oh, hello, Peyton's brother. How you doing? Okay. Okay, let's see. Ba-ba-da. How are they going in? Not going into the water? Confusing, but good. Anyway, am I the button presser yet? No. When am I gonna be the button presser? Be the first to find and press the button. T-Top found the button. When am I gonna be the button presser? Everyone's gonna turn except for me. Oh no, bombs. Bombsy bombs, bombs. Bombsy bombs, bombs. Fight. No. Just when I started it. Now, Mermaid Chick 90. Now my friend's button. When am I going to be the button presser? I'm never button presser. Ugh. Winner is Mermaid. Of course she's the winner. She's always the winner. When am I gonna be Am I gonna be the button presser? Everyone got a turn but me. Everyone's still fighting? Oh, I want to press the button. I want to press it. I pressed it. I think so. I think I pressed the button. Oh no. Reach the top. Okay, there we go. Special. Okay. Oh no. Why? How do people make it? That's impossible. I'm so bad at this. I'm walking, Spain. Why is everyone the button presser but me? Survive the falling pads. Uh-oh. I'm still remaining. Oh no. I am scared. Oh no. I almost died. There. Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Do. Gotta go. Oh no. Oh, we're stuck. Oh. Can I at least be the button presser this time, please? When am I going to be the button presser? Once I win, I'm probably going to be the button presser. Why ain't I the button presser? Who's button presser? Oh, we're so small. I'm so small. I'm a shrinky. I'm so smallies. Look at me. How to survive? Oh God. Oh no. Figure out how to survive. Whoa. Oh my God. I just fell. That's not fair. I just fell. That's not fair. I fell. That's not fair. You're my only friend now. When am I gonna be button presser? Are you kidding? Gotta be kidding me. What's that thing? What the? What? What the? Huh? Huh? What the? That made no sense. Hey, what the heck did I just do? When am I gonna be the button presser? I got higher rocks speed. I'm blessed. Bad weather. Oh no. I thought I got a higher walk speed. People are still tiny. I need to collect this coin and go into the bad weather. Hello, bad weather. Okay. Oh no. I'm staying on top of the button. Staying right here near the button. I'm gonna press the button. I wanna press the button. Okay, so I said press the button. Huh? What just happened? Find a dark blue cylinder. Dark blue. Right. Find a deep orange triangle. Okay. Find a cyan square. I can't. There's no cyan square. I'm staying with you. Are you kidding me? Find a pink circle. Circle, 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 circle. There is no pink circle. Find a bright orange hexagon. Huh? Where? But what the heck just happened? No, I want to push it. I want to push it. I should push it. But bank. Sure, I'll go to the bank. I'll get some money. Okay. Rob the bank. Oh, rob it. Oh. There's lasers. But I just... escape. Oh. Huh? What just happened? Is there any winners for this? I want to go back in the bank. Wow. So bad. So bad. Check me out. Check me out. I'm bad. I can't go back in. What's going on? Where is everybody? Oh, there we go. No. Are you kidding me? Everyone's in the bank. But wow, I really hate this bank. No! I gotta go back inside the bank. I can't get back in. Are you kidding me? But that's... get to the other side. Oh my god, I really hate this one. No! Are you kidding me? I never win. Can I just win once, please? I guess I'll try again. Get to the other side. No. Are you kidding me? What happened? What happened is that we got small and I can't press... It's not... Oh, we can just go under it. Easy peasy. I'm just gonna stay here where I am, so it doesn't catch me. Anyone? Oh, there. Who are the winners? What? Huh? You can just jump over. Simply jump over. Oh. There we go. I survived. Reach the top. Okay, I'm fast. I can do... I don't want to be small anymore. Stay inside. How do you even get past that short line part? I just want to go back down. Let us go back down. I said, let us go back down. Please. So let's go back down. I want to press the button. First one to find and press the button wins. Where's the button? Oh, I found it. But I couldn't press it in time. Reach the top. Oh, okay. No, oh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna reach the top. Hopefully I'm gonna win something. What just happened? Where am I going? Spleef. Oh, I hate Spleef. Oh no, it's following me. Eek. Oh no, someone's coming my way. Uh-oh. Spaghetti. No! Spaghetti, no. 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 No! But that wasn't fair. Wow. Think fast. Oh. Oh. Do. But I just... What the heck? How is that possible? Reach the exit. Where are we? Did I just... What the... Guess I'll try to reach the exit again. Again. No. Are you kidding me? No, I keep dying. Just wanna win once. Oh yeah. It's my style. Lasers. It's probably gonna be the last one. Do for now. Oh no. Oh there, I survived. Watch out for what? Okay guys, this game is really frustrating, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Okay, just one more. Just one more. Nuh-uh. Oh god. Oh no. No! Okay, maybe this will work. Just try one more time. No! One more. Survive. Uh-oh. No. No. Okay, guys. I know I'm... Okay, just one more. One more. This time I really mean it. Okay. I just really want to win so bad. I only won once. Okay, maybe just 5 more. 5. I just want to win. We're in space? What? I just want to jump up away from this craziness. That's all I want. Whee! No. Oh. Boing. I want to be the one button presser once, please. It's been 2. Okay, so arm is killing me. I'm not in the mood to jump. I'm in the mood to press a button. I never get to press a button. Oh. How are we supposed to reach the top. Ah! Really? I can't even get on the first one. Ah! No! This is totally unfair. Why do you make things so unfair? Well, I really don't like this. Everyone gets a turn to be the button presser except for me. I think giant volcano, watch out. I don't really care. I don't care if there's a giant volcano. I just want to buy something. You'll never hit the button. And I hit the button. That's against game rules. That probably wasn't a little bit fair because I landed on. I keep landing on. You do not know how frustrated I am right now. And I want to win so bad, but it just doesn't work out. You know what? I'm not going to end this video until I win one. Avoid being grilled. What the heck? I'm stuck. So hopefully I'll win this. I'm stuck, so maybe I'll win. Okay, so, What the heck? No. I'm stuck, so that wasn't fair. That was not fair. I was stuck. It's not fair. So I get an extra try. Okay, so hurry, reach the end of what? I don't see anything. I don't know what you're talking about. What the heck? That isn't fair. That is not fair at all. I'm not quitting until I win one. Just one. Why doesn't this work out for me? My friend's still in the game. Hurry, reach the end of what? Okay, so I'm just gonna... No! Maybe not talking will help. I lost, so I can talk right now, but I'm just so frustrated. 1 second. Done. Okay. Okay, so I screamed in my pillow, and I hope that'll work. Oh, what? Wait, that's not. Okay. Hopefully I'll win this one. Please, just let me win. Just once. Where are we, though? I really just want to win once. Just once. Please, once. But I jumped and it didn't work. I really hate this game. I'm getting really frustrated right now. Okay, I'm I'm not stopping this until I win. Yeah, perfect. I made it. 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 Whew. So I made it. Oh, that girl has the same lollipop as me. Huh. I made it. Reach the other side. Okay. Oh, I died. 1 second. Does it go up, please? Okay, good. Respawns me. Perfect. Just perfect. Can't be over soon. Not yet. I'm not stopping this until I just win. Acid is spreading. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm standing up on this log. We're the only survivors. Did I win? I'm gonna do it when it announces me. You what? You what? What? What's going on? What, is there poos falling out of the sky? Oh, watch out for the raining bombs. Okay. So I'm gonna just stand on this log. Hopefully I'll win this one. Okay, I'm still raining, so hopefully it will announce me. It's raining bombs. Really? Is that the best you can think of? Nope, don't roll near me. Watch out for the mummy. What money? Where? Oh. This is making me so frustrated. Well, I won. No one announced it. I just want someone to announce me. I don't feel special. There's just one. Okay. Since this is getting me so frustrated, I will just not talk the whole time. I just want one where you can win. I just want to win once. Please. Or just be the button presser once. I'm not in the mood for a trampoline. Okay, so what's gonna happen now? Watch out, bombs. Is it gonna announce someone that wins? Or something? Dodge the lasers? What lasers? I dodged it. Perfecto. What's next, stinky old man? Oh. No! Did I win? Watch out, Ray Tackle has a bomb. Yes! What the heck? It's really getting me frustrated. Watch out. What? Oh no. No. Oh, yes, dodged it. Reach the top of what? Where? Oh, that thing. I don't think there is a top. Is there? Is it? No, there's not a top. There is no top, so this is getting me really frustrated. So I'm just gonna say goodbye and scream in my pillow.